TPI Corporation FES Series Heatwave Portable Electric Salamander by Fostoria Industries is an excellent alternative to propane and kerosene space heaters used in industrial and commercial settings or on a job site. These heaters are versatile and offered in a multitude of configurations. They are available in 9, 10, 15, 30, and 45 kilowatt variants, with the 9, 10, and 15 kilowatt models being available in single phase. Additionally, three-phase models are available in 15, 30, and 45 kilowatt variations. All Salamander models come standard with a safety yellow heater enclosure, safety screens on both air intake and output openings, long life finned tubular heating elements, automatic reset in 9 through 30 kilowatt models, an adjustable thermostat from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, fan-only operation, 10-inch rear wheels, and an ETL C/US listing. Options for Salamander portables include a 25-foot SO type cord, ready for a plug attachment. It is important to note that the 10 kilowatt 240 volt single phase model is factory pre-wired with a 10-foot cable and a straight blade range plug. So, whether you are looking for an alternative to propane or kerosene, or simply wish to provide heat with 100% efficiency to your job site or commercial/industrial application, the Salamander can meet your needs.